So sharks have actually been around for over 400 million years. That means they're older than trees and older than the North Star. And in the last 70 years, we've wiped out over 70% of the global oceanic shark populations. A third of sharks are now at the risk of extinction, and many of the critically endangered species only have a 10-year window left to ensure their future survival. So with that in mind, I started the Meow Shark program to study and conserve shark species in the Maldives, one of the last hotspots and safe havens for sharks in the Indian Ocean. So our research is spread across multiple islands and atolls, and what we like to do a lot is to bring in new technology and leverage technology as a tool to connect communities with the science, but also to create high-impact scientific outputs that then allow us to hopefully raise more awareness for sharks and for shark conservation. So 2 years ago, we deployed deep-sea camera systems in collaboration with the National Geographic Exploration Technology Lab, and we went to almost 1,500 meters to document deep-sea shark species, many of which also face extinction due to the global trade in shark liver oil and their exploitation, especially outside of the Maldives. In the Maldives, luckily, they are protected from fishing, but we know very little about their movements and their ecology. We also ended up doing the world's first free-swimming tiger shark ultrasounds in the Maldives in collaboration with 2 local dive centers, confirming that almost 90% of the tiger sharks that we scanned in that project were pregnant. So really putting the Maldives on the map as a place that is home to large pregnant female sharks and species that are reproducing in the area, highlighting that we need even more science and even more conservation efforts focused on this amazing country. But I also realized that science and data and policy alone isn't what does conservation and helps us achieve conservation goals. To effectively protect the ocean for future generations, and especially to bring back species on the edge of extinction, we need a global systems change and a cultural shift. I see the global conservation landscape and the global ocean dialogue slowly shifting, which is giving me a lot of hope. There's a lot more interdisciplinary dialogue, there's a lot more businesses, artists, creative scientists, thought leaders, innovators all coming together to find solutions to pressing ocean problems. And I really think that that's the key to unlocking a better future for the planet, but also for people.